Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, the Uttarakhand and Bihar reported extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places, and the Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and Tripura region received very heavy rainfall. However, the Gangetic West Bengal received the heavy rainfall. Yesterday, maximum 25 centimeter rainfall was reported over the Shastra Dhara in Uttarakhand. Similarly, Purnia district reported maximum 26 centimeter rainfall in Bihar, and Sikkim maximum 12 centimeter rainfall was reported. And our main highlights is the isolated, mainly the heavy rainfall activity will continue over the northeast India, Bihar and Uttarakhand region during next 5 days, and heavy rainfall activity will continue over the northern parts of the East Uttar Pradesh during next 3 days, and over the remaining parts of the country subdued rainfall activity will very likely to continue during next 5 days. And if you look for the today's main shape synoptic features, so this blue color line represents the actual position of the monsoon trough. However, this red color line represents the today's position of the monsoon trough. So as we can see, the western ends of the monsoon trough passing through the foothills of the Himalayas. However, the eastern ends of the monsoon trough, which is passing through the Bihar, sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Bangladesh, then it goes up to the Manipur, and over the northern parts of the Bangladesh, a cyclonic circulation also lies over that region. Because of this monsoon trough and the cyclonic circulation, we can see in this satellite pictures there is a moderate to intense convection over many parts of the Gangetic West Bengal, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim area, Jharkhand, Bihar, and moderate convection over the East Uttar Pradesh and entire northeast India, and light to moderate convection is also can be seen over the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and some parts of the South Peninsular India. Because of these synoptic features, if we look for the weather warning for the next 5 days, so on today, that is 8th of August, extremely heavy rainfall is also heavy to very heavy rainfall over the some parts of the Bihar, with extremely heavy falls at one or two places is likely over the Bihar. So we have given the red color warning, and very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places will continue over the Sikkim area, Assam, Meghalaya, and mainly the Tripura region. Because of that, we have given the orange color warning for all those regions. And heavy rainfall is also likely at one or two places over Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, and Arunachal Pradesh. Remaining parts of the country, only light rainfall is likely at one or two places. Tomorrow, on 9th of August, very heavy rainfall activity will continue at one or two places over the Bihar, eastern parts of the Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall will be experienced at one or two places over the West Uttar Pradesh and parts of the northeast India. Remaining parts of the country, only light rainfall at one or two places is likely. On 10th of August, again the Uttarakhand is likely to receive very heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. However, the Bihar and entire northeast India will receive heavy rainfall activity at one or two places and light to moderate rainfall activity over many parts of the region. On 11th of August, Uttarakhand, sub-Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Nagaland is likely to receive heavy rainfall activity on 11th of August. And similarly on 12th of August also, Uttarakhand, entire northeast India and some parts of the eastern parts of the Uttar Pradesh also likely to receive heavy rainfall activity at one or two places. Remaining parts of the country means entire East India, entire South Peninsular India, Central India, entire western parts of the country and entire northwest India except Uttarakhand and East Uttar Pradesh will likely to receive only light rainfall activity at one or two places. Because of the very heavy rainfall activity, mainly over the Bihar on 9th and 10th of August, over the Uttarakhand on 10th and 11th of August, and because of the isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity over Bihar and today, there is a possibility of some localized flooding, and there is also possibility of waterlogging mainly in the low-lying areas. Because of the heavy rainfall spell there is a possibility of some disruption in the traffics, and there is also some possibility of some damage to the vulnerable structures, mainly the kacha roads, kacha houses, huts, etc. And because of the very heavy rainfall spell, there is some possibility of damage to the mainly to the horticulture crops and standing crops in the field. So we advise, and there is also possibility of some landslide or mudslide activities mainly over the hilly areas of the northeastern states. So we advise you always whenever we are going out of home, always avoid to the going those areas which face the waterlogging problem very often, and always avoid to the going in the vulnerable structures. Always follow any traffic advisories which are issued in this regard, and always be updated with the weather information, and always follow any guidelines which are issued by the government in this regard. You can visit the MD website for more detailed weather information. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and our Twitter page. Thank you.